We need to talk.
So the reason that I stopped working and stopped time, well, you guys know about the title of this video already, but I gave it a lot of thought, and I really do think they should give that bunny some tricks. I mean, he tries for such a long time. Oh, and the Vaydor thing. Okay, so okay, I decided to go for the
make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had enough. What keeps you up at night, yeah. Make all the demons quiet, yeah. We were built to thrive, yeah. I think that we've all had
enough. Here's why. Although the Viper is a better car performance-wise and everything else, the Vaydor brings a lot of uniqueness to me and my channel. There's not a lot of Vaydors out there being documented, although there's not a lot of Vipers either, but I think the Vaydor is a better fit. I was thinking also, since, like I said before in the other video, I liked the G35, the Infiniti G35 platform. The looks of it, I think it looks like the cousin of the Porsche, which is super sexy. You could put any rim and it looks super good. It's like a really easy car to make it look good, and it's very affordable. You know, at least now. I got mine dirt cheap, by the way, but that would be another video. So, that being said, I was like, well, you know, I could actually get the G, enjoy the G, although it's a 13-year-old car, you know, but better late than never, right? And then later on, I could order the kit, and I could disassemble it and make the Vaydor. So I was like, well, I think I'll get more content of the Vaydor, of the G35, confirming it into a Vaydor, because it needs a lot of work, let me tell you guys. I got it for cheap, but it was a reason that it was cheap. I think not even in that condition it should have been that cheap, but you know, I feel like I got a good deal because it's gonna give me a lot of content. It needs a lot of fixing, but I wanted a G that was in bad shape so I could fix it up and turn it into a Vaydor. And later down the line, you know, I could still get the Viper. Ain't nobody telling me that I can't get the Viper. So I'm just gonna get the G35 for now, and later on, if they bring a new like a new Viper, which I hope they bring it back, because there's nothing wrong with the Viper. The Viper is super sexy and super fast. I mean, hello, why? But you know, but yeah, I'm gonna need you guys' help on fixing that thing, because I'm doing everything myself, unless it's something like super major that you need an expertise on. I will be doing everything myself, including the automatic to manual swap, because it is an automatic, unfortunately. But that will give me more content, right? And I will learn more about the platform. So it's a win-win situation. So I have no regrets. I'm happy for the for the price that I got it for, and I'm happy of what it's gonna bring me. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Tell me, what do you guys think I should be doing with this G35, and stay tuned because I really do need your help, and give me some good advice. This is Komatara. See you next time.